Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open and drain 1/5 oz can of tuna, flaking the fish with a fork. Remove excess liquid so the filling stays firm. Mix tuna with 1/4 cup mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon mustard, stirring until evenly combined. Add 1/8 teaspoon salt and a few grinds of pepper for seasoning. Chop 1 celery stalk or use 1 tablespoon relish for texture. Toast 2 slices of bread if preferred to add crunch, or leave untoasted for softness when making this quick, reliable sandwich filling. Lay 2 slices of bread on a clean surface and spread 2 tablespoons mixture per slice evenly to the edges. Use a butter knife for a thin, consistent layer. Add lettuce leaves and 3 tomato slices total for freshness, or substitute thin cucumber slices for less moisture. Close the sandwich and press gently to compress ingredients so it holds together when cut. Press and cut sandwich into halves at a slight diagonal for easier handling, and wipe the knife between cuts to keep slices neat and clean. Serve immediately on a plate for best texture, or wrap in plastic wrap or wax paper if taking for lunch. A parchment-lined container prevents sogginess. Refrigerate leftover tuna for up to 3 days in an airtight container to maintain safety and flavor, discarding after the 3rd day. Label with date and store at 40 degrees F or below to follow food safety. Keep mayonnaise-based fillings cold until serving. For packed lunches, place an ice pack next to the wrapped sandwich to keep it chilled and fresh through midday.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.